Friends, heat stroke is a common and major problem for our stray animals and birds during this season. We decided to aware people about this life-threatening problem through a workshop. On 29 May evening, Dr. Devasi Solanki from Jivdaya Charitable Trust conducted the workshop and educated us all with some valuable information and do's and don'ts. We were glad to see a different age group in our audience, as compassion does not have an age barrier. Friends, there are 5 such amazing workshops coming up. If you want to enroll yourself, please click on the link given in bio and stay tuned. Do not wait. I'll see you there in the next workshop.